Welcome to our comparison of two innovative wireless adapters designed to enhance your driving experience. Today we're looking at the CarPlay Wireless Adapter, which converts your factory-wired CarPlay system to wireless, and the AAWireless Two, which does the same for Android Auto. Both products are priced at $69 and offer plug-and-play convenience, but they cater to different smartphone ecosystems. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The CarPlay Wireless Adapter is designed specifically for iPhones and requires a factory-installed wired CarPlay system to function. On the other hand, the AAWireless Two caters to Android users, needing a wired Android Auto setup. This fundamental difference in compatibility means that your choice largely depends on your smartphone's operating system. When it comes to features, the CarPlay Wireless Adapter boasts a 5G chip for fast processing and supports voice control, allowing for a seamless, hands-free experience. In contrast, the AAWireless Two includes a multifunctional button that simplifies control, making it easy to switch between devices. Each adapter offers unique functionalities that enhance user experience, depending on your preferences. Both adapters are designed for easy installation with plug-and-play functionality. However, the CarPlay Wireless Adapter offers automatic connection after the initial setup, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time you enter your vehicle. The AAWireless Two also provides automatic connection, but may require occasional troubleshooting. Overall, both products aim to simplify your driving experience, but user experiences may vary. In conclusion, both the CarPlay Wireless Adapter and the AAWireless Two offer excellent solutions for upgrading your wired systems to wireless. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you use an iPhone or an Android device. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.